All right, just got back from meeting the FedEx driver and picking up the freeze dryer. So now we get to get it in our outbuilding and let the fun begin. All right, I have got it in the building and set up on the table where it's going to be going. Took the trays out to lighten the lift a little bit. And now we have the accessory box. Vacuums are impulse sealer, oxygen absorbers, quart of Robinair oil, factory filter, power cord, manuals, the vacuum hose, and the window inserts. Package of Mylar bags, and 2 sets of trays, and then the vacuum pump. A quart of vacuum oil, marketed as a Harvest Right. And I opted for the Premier pump. So that is everything that comes with it. I've already got quite a bit of other accessories to go with it, and now we just have to let it sit for 24 hours before we fire it up to let the refrigerant settle out. That'll give me time to go ahead and clean the inside with some vinegar and water, and clean the door gasket and get the pump prepped and ready to go. And then tomorrow I will do the bread run, and then after that it will be ready for food. Alright, the bread run is done. It definitely looks and feels like it is complete. Time on that was about 14 hours. So almost a full loaf of bread, with the exception of like 2 or 3 pieces. Went into the large, and it took a little longer than I had anticipated, but that's fine. And not a whole lot of ice from it. I had moistened it with water and white vinegar. So I'm gonna put a fan here in front of it and get this thing defrosted, and then I've got a probably about a 80% load of mixed stuff to go in, some veggies and some fruits, ice cream sandwiches, a little bit of everything.